Welcome to another episode of Hardware Lens. In this custom build from Hardware Lens, we set out to build a gaming PC with a mid-range budget but high-end performance. This build features a parts list that focuses on value, longevity, overclocking, and performance at the sweet spot where any more money spent leads to diminished returns in terms of real-world performance. If an all-out money is no object build is more your thing, be sure to check out our upcoming ultra high-end build featuring the 10900K and 2080 Ti overclocked with a custom water cooling loop. At the heart of this PC, we chose the Intel i5-10600k. While AMD CPUs generally offer better performance with a production or workstation environment, Intel's 10th gen CPU still offers the best performance for gaming. Since this was a gaming build focused on performance without breaking the bank, we opted for the 10600K with an overclock rather than the more expensive and more difficult to cool 10900K. We chose the Arctic Cooling Liquid Freezer 2 240 to keep our 10600K cool under its overclock. As evidenced by the many reviews available online, the Liquid Freezer 2 remains the top performing AIO available at a great price, although finding one in stock has been challenging due to supply issues relating to COVID-19. For the RAM, we chose 16 gigabytes of our all-time favorite, the Patriot Viper Steel 4400 C19 kits. The Viper Steel 4400 C19 kits offer some of the best RAM at an incredible price point. We picked up our kits for $119 US. That's an insane value for 16 gigs of high-bin Samsung B-Die RAM. For the motherboard, we chose the recently reviewed Gigabyte Z490 Aorus Ultra. At the $300 price point, the Aorus Ultra features a true 12-phase VRM with 60 amp power stages, 9 rear USB ports, Intel 2.5 gigabit LAN, and great memory and CPU overclocking capability. Obviously, one of the most important choices for a gaming PC is the graphics card. We chose the EVGA RTX 2070 Super Black Gaming for this build. At the competitive price point of $534.99 US, the 2070 Super Black Gaming offers a factory overclock, 8 gigs of VRAM, and performance that is very close to the much more expensive 2080 and handles just about any game with ease at reasonable settings. Being an RTX card, ray tracing is fully supported technology that has made its way into several games since its introduction. We think this makes the EVGA 2070 Super Black Gaming the ideal choice for a cost-conscious, high-performance gaming build. For storage, we are using a Western Digital Black WD750 500 gig M.2 NVMe drive as our primary system drive. The Western Digital 750 offers the fastest read-write performance at its attractive price point of $79.99 for the 500 gig model. To ensure ample storage for our gaming PC, we chose a 2TB Western Digital Blue 3D SATA M.2 drive as a secondary drive. When value is a consideration, we still think SATA SSDs offer the best bang for your buck without moving to a much slower mechanical hard drive, and we prefer the M.2 form factor for a clean build as long as your motherboard can support it. Powering it all is the Corsair TX650M semi-modular power supply. PSU choice is something we never skimp on with our builds, preferring to purchase the best PSU we can afford at the wattage rating appropriate for our system. A quality 650 watt unit offers ample power for a 6-core CPU single GPU combo, even with overclocking. This power supply built by Great Wall for Corsair features excellent build quality and components, very good transient response and ripple suppression, and a 7-year warranty at an attractive price point at just $109 US. It also has the advantage of being available at a time when quality PSUs are hard to come by. Housing it all is the Phanteks P400A RGB. The P400A is an airflow optimized case that is ideal for a high-performance overclock build. It features front and top mesh for maximum airflow potential, a tempered glass side window, a clean layout, and RGB support. Since the P400A consistently scores at the top of most reviews in terms of cooling performance, choosing this case for an overclocked gaming build is a no-brainer at only $89.99 US. If you made it to the end of this video, we want to say thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video where we will be overclocking the CPU in this build step by step.